Hello all, it's Jolene. Welcome back to the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I sell modern farmhouse home decor, which I make a lot of right here in my basement. And then I teach stuff on YouTube, like how to have a small business and, all the trials and tribulations that go on with that. So last week on my YouTube channel, I got a comment from a lady that said, you are so far ahead of me, I don't even know where to start. And boy, oh boy, can I relate to that, because there are so many shiny objects, so many squirrels running by, so many things that you could try. And so I thought to myself, why don't you just sit down and think about how you could help this person and give them your best advice for what to do if you were just starting again, right? Okay, so what I would do if I was just starting again is I would start off with my 3P plan. So 3P plan. 3P plan. Okay, say that 10 times fast. Okay, so the first part is the first P, I guess, would be like the headline of all these P problems is procrastination, right? Because when you don't have a finish line, it is really hard to start. Like if you don't know where you're going, the fact that you don't know where you're going and you don't know where to start and you don't know what tools to use and you don't know even what to sell or who to sell it to or anything like that, it's procrastination, right? So I don't blame you. I mean, I wouldn't know where to start either, right? So for myself, I just started and I learned and I learned and I learned. And now in March, it'll be 5 years for me, right? So I think that had I started over 5 years ago, I just would have found a few people on the internet that I really liked and I would have started listening to them much sooner. For me, that was a little bit slower going. And now I'm completely, totally addicted to learning on the internet. So, the headline up here is procrastination, right? Like can't get going because I don't know what to do. I'm completely overwhelmed. So what are we going to do about that? We're going to do our 3P plan. So the first part of our 3P plan is I want you to pick a person that you want to sell to. So get out your pen and paper, get out your whiteboard, get out your iPad, notepad, whatever you want. I don't want you to think about anything else except for who do I want to sell to. And I will tell you right now that it is much easier if you're starting out to sell a product to a person that either has money or needs money. So the person that has money is, somebody of a higher income level that you could sell a higher ticketed item to. So instead of selling, like a Walmart watch, you're going to sell them a Rolex, right? So you're going to go find that Rolex and you're going to market the heck out of that Rolex, and you've got this awesome product and it's $10,000 or whatever it is. And you're going to go sell that person that has money that product. Because when you start selling a product to people that have money, you have less problems. If you decide to sell your product, a $10 product, you are going to end up with a $10 customer. And I can assure you that a $10 customer is going to cause you way more problems, way more work, way more communication, way more follow-up, way more returns, way more complaining than a $10,000 customer. So no matter what product you're selling, I would say to you, if you can avoid the $10 customer, do that at all costs. Pick something that you can sell, pick a person that you can sell to that is not a $10 person, right? They would never buy a $10 item. They don't look at $10 items. They don't want a $10 item. That's just not their personality. So pick your person. Now, the second thing that you're going to want to know is your platform. What platform are you going to use to sell to this person? What kind of a platform would this person buy off of? So I've already talked you out of, I hope so, selling a $10 product, right? And now you've got your person that you want to sell to. You need to put your product on the platform that that person is going to buy from. It's as simple as that. So you need your platform to match the personality of the person. It's really not that complicated. So if you want a Rolex customer, you are probably not going to put your product onto a bargain basement platform where people sell $10 items. You're going to put it on a professional platform, and the platform I always recommend, I'm an affiliate for them, I love them, they are professional, is Shopify. So here is the link for Shopify store. If you sign up with my affiliate link, I do get paid. That's a disclaimer. I love Shopify. I've been working with them forever. Okay, so if I had a professional product and I wanted a professional platform, I would put that on Shopify. You can go, just go even look at the stock market and look at Shopify stocks right now. They are putting out professional products. Everybody's starting to really get to know the name Shopify. They are a trusted brand leader in e-commerce. So disclaimer, I also own Shopify stock. So even if you didn't want to start a Shopify store, if you want Shopify stock, I would go ahead and buy some Shopify stock. Put your money into something that's actually going to pay off. I am not an investment advisor, so don't come back haggling at me about that. I'm not telling you where to put your money. I'm just some random person on the internet. So, please don't put all your bells and whistles and everything into Shopify stock. And then if it goes down, you're yelling and screaming at me. I personally own it. I think it's great. I'm going to keep buying it. If you want to do it, go ahead. Okay, so now we've got our person. And now we've got our platform, and now we need our product. So where are we going to get our product? So there's several ways that you can get a product, and there are several products that you can get. So the first product I would say is a product that you make yourself. If you want to do that, that is going to be a job, right? You're not probably ever going to get away from it. I have a product that I make and I'm trying to get away from it. But at this point, I'm hiring other people to make it for me. So I'm kind of at a win-win, right? So there's a product that you can make. Now there's a product that you can buy. Now, if I was going to buy a product, I would go and just research products on the internet that you think are selling and then put your own spin on them. You can do this by going onto Amazon and looking for bestsellers. You can follow along with TikTok and go and look, for best-selling products. You can go to a fancy high-end store and go search around for products and then find companies that will make these products for you. So there are manufacturers and distributors all over the world. You can even order products off of Alibaba. You could, even if you're not at Alibaba state where you have like a minimum order quantity, you could start out with buying products from AliExpress just to get yourself some income rolling in, but so that you're not making the products yourself and then you're spending more time marketing the products, you're going to be more profitable that way. And another place that you could get some really good products from is madeinchina.com. So on madeinchina.com, you can actually put in the requirements of the product that you want into like a fill out request form, and they will come back to you with products from manufacturers where they're actually bidding for you for how much they can make for you at the price they can make it at the shipping costs, at the whether it's got insurance from them to from their facility to the boat, and they just go back and forth with you about minimum order quantities and terms and conditions and how the payments and all that kind of stuff go through. So you can go ahead. Sometimes I stutter. Okay, you can go ahead and go straight to madeinchina.com if you've got a product that you want to make. So, for instance, here's a really good product idea that you could go and make. You could go and make fancy tablecloths. So you go ahead and find a tablecloth that you like, and then you send the information over to Made in China. It's like, okay, well, it's this thickness, I would like some embroidery stitching on it. And you can order a sample product. It's going to cost money, of course, but you can order a sample product from China. They will send you the sample product, and then you can go back and forth with them about how you could get a minimum order quantity for this product and how much you would have to order to get that shipped over. You could also potentially talk to them about packaging for your product. And then once it was here, you would be able to market that product. So there are platforms that you can sell your, large products like that on, things like Amazon. You can link your Shopify store with Faire. And Faire is basically a platform where a whole bunch of retailer stores come on and they purchase from small businesses like yourself. Okay, so now we've got our product, we've got our platform, we've got our person. So those are the 3 Ps that are going to help get you out of the procrastination mode. And if you like videos like this, make sure you hit the bell button, hit subscribe. And as always, sign up for Shopify with my affiliate link so that I get paid for making videos like this. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it so much. You have no idea. like really so much. And stay tuned for the next video. If you like what you learned in this video, of course, you should watch another video of mine, because when you pair all the information together, you will grow your business so much faster than I did. Yay, you. That is the goal. You know, I've got my business, but I want to help people. And if you get ahead of me, I'm just going to be here cheering for you. Okay, that's it for today. We'll have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.